Lean forward.
Lean forward. Hi everyone.
Real quick, you guys, before we get into the video, as most of you know, Hurricane Dorian ripped through the northern Bahamas and really caused a ton of damage, just desolating some areas.
We have started a t-shirt campaign in order to donate 100% of the profits to the Global Empowerment Mission.
They are a non-for-profit that's experienced in dealing with hurricane disasters. We researched them quite a bit to make sure that's the right non-profit to donate to. So far, you guys have raised over $18,000.
Thank you guys so much. It really means the world to us. A lot of people have asked if we're okay. We're totally fine. We're in Grenada. It passed right north of us. But our friends in the Bahamas, they need your help.
So we'll have a link to the t-shirt campaign right in the description, and right below that we'll have a link to a page on our website that has a bunch of other ways that you could help in addition or as another option to the t-shirt campaign.
Thank you guys so much. You all mean the world to us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's a new day here in the Dominican Republic, and today we're going on an adventure to climb 27 waterfalls. Are you excited?
Yep, I got my adventure shoes ready.
We are supposed to bring a bathing suit, closed-toed shoes that can get wet, and nothing that can't get wet. In case you're wondering what our marina looks like, here it is. Lots of slips. That in front of Billy is the marine park, which we're very secluded from, which is a good thing. That giant thing is a casino, I think, and like a club, but we're in the trade winds, so we are always upwind of the noise. Although one downfall of being upwind of the noise is we're very far from the bathrooms and the office, but I think it's worth it, right?
Right.
One thing this marina does not lack is beautiful scenery. Up here, this is more part of the club, casino. There's a pool up there, but it's all gated off, so nobody can bother us. Up in that building is a restaurant and a market, and they have really good food. Pretty reasonable for being at like a marina. That's the marina office with the bathrooms, and where the guy is making our canvas, and where we did all of our laundry. Pretty much everything. And that farthest dock is the fuel dock. Dog-friendly restaurant. Our fancy sports car. It's a Suzuki, just like our engine. It's our dinghy of the land. Get it? Yesterday?
Yeah.
We're attempting to find somewhere to eat breakfast, just to grab something super simple before we go to the waterfalls, but we're striking out. Some of the places we're trying to find aren't open. One place we just went to, they only serve fried fish, and we're not exactly in the mood for fried fish for breakfast, but so I think there's a little restaurant by the waterfall, so we're just gonna go there.
So
We got lost on the way here, but one of the guides, I guess, found us. He noticed that we were lost and asked if we wanted to follow him up there.
one guy on the motorbike first who stopped us and was like, you know, trying to help us, but he was speaking Spanish too quick. I couldn't really understand him. I said we were okay, we'll find it. And then we had another one stop us because we got even more lost, and then he was like, you know, he could speak a little English, and then he said he worked here. So we drove him here, and he told us where to go, and now we're here, and now he's going to be our guide for the waterfalls. And I asked about breakfast, like if they had breakfast here. He talked to the ladies back there, and then in like literally like 30 seconds they had plates of yuca and salami and like fried queso and breakfast for us right here, and some coffee. Like instantly.
So this is fried cheese, yuca, salami.
Apparently the busy season, like with people, tourists, is like November, December. Now is not the busy season, and it's just the start of the rainy season. But unfortunately they haven't had a lot of rain yet, so I don't think the top waterfalls are going to be open.
So instead of 27, I think maybe 12 are open.
Yeah, we're only going to do like 12 or so.
How much was the meal?
$5.
How many pesos?
250.
Pretty good deal, I would say.
Like this.
We're going down. You gotta swim, jumping, and sliding. The position when you jump and slide. When you jump, pencil. If you don't wanna do it, you don't have to. When you swim, you gotta go one at a time, one behind the other. You know how to swim? Now you need your helmet and the life jacket. You need a tie.
See.
Whoa.
Alligators.
Oh no. The high jump. 21 feet. Deep, very, very deep. That's okay.
You try first.
Okay, if you wanna do it, you can do it. Okay? No problem.
Very nice.
Let's do it. Vámonos.
Vamos.
How was it? Look
What?
at this on my hand.
Oh, cool. Hi.
Get a little bit cold for me.
Are you gonna slide?
So cross your arms. If you open your hands, you're gonna make a Dominican Republic. Sit down.
Like this?
Yeah. forward.
Lean forward.
Who, you? You like got some air? I did too.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I go?
Yeah, yeah.
And
yeah.
I move?
You can go, yeah.
Tell me when they're moved.
There you go.
Good.
Yeah, just go.
It's my dog. Sit down here.
Gracias, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Qué? Seria. Me llamo Billy y Sierra. Abuela, madre. Hola. Oh, aunt, say tia. Aunt. El madre de... No.
Ella es hermana de su mamá. Toda la familia junta y ella también es hermana. Todita.
Toda la familia. Yo hablo español un poquito. ¿Cuántos años vives aquí?
Yo he vivido aquí desde que nací.
En la casa.
Desde que nací.
15.
Yes, 15 years.
15.
15.
Sí, ¿está bien?
So, because
Gracias.
Necesita la visita.
Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
Vámonos.
Adiós, amigos. Adiós, amigos.
Hi.
Yo trabajé y vino.
Hola. Me llamo Billy. Hola.
Sandy.
Jeffrey. ¿Cómo te llamas? Sirio. Hola, me llamo Billy.
Mi nombre es Alex.
Alex.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Our friend Jordan, who was our waterfall guide, became our guide for the rest of the day. First we stopped at his family's house so we could get changed, then a quick stop at the local watering hole to meet some of his friends. Then we were on our way to run some errands.
Biggest pineapple I've ever seen. Less than $1.
Muchas gracias. Food shop, like just under $400 worth of stuff. We got a lot of stuff. Muchas gracias. Yeah, that's the one I picked.
Our friend Jordan has been helping us go through the city, and he was also our guide on our waterfall tour. And he also helped us find the waterfalls. Say hi.
Hi.
Adios, Jordan.
Bye bye. We are exhausted. Jordan took us to an authentic Dominican Republic restaurant, which Billy had. He picked out his own fish. It was a strawberry grouper.
Yeah, the lady said it was sea bass, but it was, I saw it. It was strawberry.
He picked out his own strawberry grouper. I just had chicken and plantains, which were delicious.
We dropped off our friend Jordan. He was like our guide for the whole day.
How did you get the front seat? And I'm in the back. How does this work?
Did we get enough food?
I think so. One thing I read is that in like the Caribbean you don't want to bring a lot of cardboard because
You don't want to bring any cardboard on your boat.
cockroach eggs could live in it. So everything I got had to unpack from the car, unpack from the bags, and then take out all the cardboard and then put everything away. So it's a long process.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to click on the links in the description to see how you can help support the Bahamas.